How to stop Spotify from adding songs to playlist. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So when you open up Spotify, then tap on the search bar. Now search for the song you want to listen. Now tap on search. Now when you play the song and tap on add to playlist. Now create a new playlist. Now tap on create. Now simply go to your library. Now when you open up the playlist, as you can see Spotify automatically add the songs. Now to stop Spotify from adding the songs, you need to go to Premium and tap on Get Started. Now to stop Spotify from adding the songs, you must need to subscribe to Premium. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.